What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing some long cornrows in my hair. True is fast asleep, so I'm trying to do it as quick as possible. My hair is freshly washed and I'm about to part it and get ready to braid it. I already have all the stuff that I need. I'm going to be using my rat tail, my brush, and I have my hair, assorted hair. This is the pre-stretched hair. So I have them. I'm going to use this one on the ends and these ones on my roots. So I already have them prepped and ready to go. If this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. So I'm going to be leaving my edges out. I don't want to braid my edges. I like a middle part. So I'm thinking I could probably do a middle. So of course, as usual, I'm using Blue Magic in my scalp, and I'm also going to be using some Aunt Jackie's Hydrating Sealant Butter in my hair, just to keep my hair moisturized while I'm rocking these braids. As you can see, I go ahead and I brush it just to make sure all the product is in, and then I go ahead and I apply some of the jam all on the edges just to give it a sleek, very neat look. And I go ahead and I brush the jam in a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to begin braiding the hair. As you can see, I like to start off with a single braid just so that it has like a real neat look. And then I go ahead and I add the hair in. Pay close attention to my fingers so that you could see exactly how I'm adding the hair in. I like to add the hair in from underneath, because to me that's the easiest way to just feed it in. Like I'm continuing braiding and I'm just adding the hair in my finger where I would continue braiding. Yeah, that's the easiest for me. That's what's worked, and that's how I have done it. So you just don't want to braid the braid too tight. I'm not braiding it tight at all. It might look like it's tight, but it's not. And I go ahead and I apply some jam. You could go ahead and apply some jam to your hair just to give you a nice sleek look. And I repeat this until I'm done braiding my hair. As you can see, I could have added more braiding hair just to cover up my own natural hair, but I really don't want to. I'm going for a very natural look, so majority of this is going to be my hair. I'm just using the extensions for some additional length, so that's why I'm not using as much hair. But if you wanted to cover up your hair completely, you would use more hair and kind of tuck it in so that your natural hair is not exposed as much. But that's not what I'm doing here. My natural hair is somewhat exposed, so I'm using jam just to combat the frizz and make it look neat. I am so loving these braids. You know, it's summertime when everybody got braids, everybody traveling, everybody going to the beach. So these braids are super easy to do and they look super cute. And all you have to do is tie them down in a night. And if they get frizzy, all you have to do is apply some more jam and apply some more mousse and tie it down, and that makes it look nice and smooth again, makes it look brand new. So yeah, I'm just adding like some more hair to the ends just to get that length and blending it in, and then that's pretty much it. I use Lotta Body mousse in my hair at the end. I also dip my hair with some hot water, and I use Style Factor on my edges. I'm gonna show you all of that near the end of the video, so keep watching until the end. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. The back is usually the hardest for me because I can't really hold my hair how I want to hold my hair, but I manage. So before dipping my hair in the hot water, I like to go ahead and trim each braid just to take out the frizzies and make it look neater for a longer period of time. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I went ahead and dipped my hair in some hot water. I also used some mousse in my hair, and I went ahead and I laid my edges using my favorite Style Factor Edge Booster. And I tied my hair down, and now for the big reveal. Ta-da! So here are the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.